Welcome to No One's Academy. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can convert cryptocurrencies, for example, from Bitcoin to USDT or from USDT to Ethereum, depending on what you have in your wallet. So let's check what we have in my wallet right here. You can see that I've got some USDT and some BTC. So for example, right now I want to convert this USDT to BTC. So to do this, you're going to have to go to where it's written convert right here, and it's going to show you this tab where you can be able to convert any cryptocurrency that you have in your wallet. So right now it says you're converting BTC to USDC, but in this case I want to convert my USDT to BTC. So in this case I'm gonna have to choose right here from USDT to BTC right here, because I've got some USDT in my wallet and I want to convert this USDT to BTC. So right here, you have to choose the amount that I want to convert. So let's say if I want to convert 50 USD, I can just type right here 50 and it's gonna do pretty much all the calculations and give me the value in BTC this side. So if I want to convert the whole available balance of USDT that I have in my wallet, I can just click max and you can see that it has done pretty much all the calculations and I'm gonna get this amount in BTC. So you can see that I'm gonna pay pretty much 0.2% for transaction fees, and this is equivalent to this amount of BTC. So this is how exactly you can convert any cryptocurrency that you have in your wallet to your preferred any cryptocurrency. So once you have checked and stuff like that, all you have to do is to click this button where it's written convert and click confirm. And boom, just like that, we have got some BTC in our wallet. So you can go ahead to your wallet and check if you have some BTC, and you can see that all the available balance that I had in my Tether wallet is now in BTC. So this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to show you how exactly you can convert any cryptocurrency. Therefore, I'll see you in another video, and always remember that no one does it better than no one's.